Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's look, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this Valentine's Day rose eye art. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with the Kevyn Aucoin Unblinking Palette, and I'm going to use the lightest shade as a base all over, and then I'm going to go in with the second lightest shade and just kind of apply it to the upper portion of my lid as a transition color. Next, we're going to use the Carnival palette by Bperfect. We're going to go in with the bright pink and just really softly blend that out. So after we soften this up, we're going to go in with Wifey, which is a darker pink, and just add a little bit more depth above the crease. Next, we're going to cut our crease, and we're going to be using a art brush and the Kevyn Aucoin Concealer, and blending the two together so it's not just a harsh line. We're going to go in and add a little more depth to the corners using Guilty, and I'm just going to blend this at the crease and in the inner corner, and just really make sure everything is nice and soft and blended together. I also like taking a small brush and just applying that darker color to the inner crease. Now we're going to take this Paul and Joe eyeglass and just apply it to that crease and make sure that it's nice and blended into that pink. And then I'm going to go and highlight my brow bone using Pink Me, which is a really pretty highlighter with a pink shift to it. Taking a small art brush, I'm going to use my Mehron Paradise paint, and I'm just going to start outlining the shape of the roses. These are really easy. They're pretty much just overlapping half circles. And you can just kind of vary the sizes and the shapes until you get the look that you're looking for. So once we have the general shape we're looking for, we're going to go in with a dark red. I'm using Jeffree Star Redrum, and we're just going to fill in the petals. Now I'm going to go in with a yellow. This is Jeffree Star Queen Bee, and I'm just going to start adding a little bit of highlights to the petals. I added a little blurring effect to the video to make it look more romantic. You can kind of see it glitching in these areas. But anyway, I'm going to go back in and just add a little more highlights and just outline all the petals in a dark red again, just to kind of give them a little bit more pop. So now I'm going to go in with the bright pink and apply it underneath my lash line. And then I'm going to go in with a yellow and apply it to my inner corner. After that, I'm going to use a really nice peachy orange and just blend the two together, applying it underneath my lash line, my inner corner, and then the outer edge. I like to take a fluffy brush and just make sure everything is really nice and soft and blended together. I'm going to go in with the Kevyn Aucoin palette again and just start to apply the darkest color to my lash line to just make it look really nice and thick. And then I'm going to take my NYX Wonder Pencil and apply it to my waterline. And then we're going to finish off with a pair of lashes. And there you have it, a pretty easy eye art just in time for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram where I upload a lot more work, and feel free to check out some of my other videos. Until next time, bye!